Hi everyone, welcome to Popupsmart's YouTube channel. Today I will tell you about our CRO Checker tool, which is a free tool that you can find on our website, which is popupsmart.com, or you can simply navigate to crochecker.popupsmart.com. This tool allows you to see how your site performs, why it is slow, and discover optimization opportunities. So let's start by entering our website URL here, then click on Start to Analyze. Once it's done, you will see the results down below. I will tell you about some of them. For example, frequently asked questions. It's really important to include frequently asked questions to your website, as it allows the visitors to get quick access to the information that they're looking for. Then we have the analytics. You can use Google Analytics for it. It allows you to shape a successful strategy by providing detailed information on visitor actions. Next up is blog. Blogs help you increase organic traffic to your website and increase conversions as a result. And next up is phone number and address. If you include phone number and address, you can increase trust with your customers or visitors. And next up is reader-friendly fonts. You want everyone to visit your website, read everything easily, so you need to optimize the website accordingly. And then we have mobile responsiveness. Considering that half of the web traffic comes from mobile, optimizing your website for mobile responsiveness is really a good idea. And then we have SSL and Secure Hosting. You need to protect your visitors from cyber attacks. Then we have testimonials. Just like phone number and address, testimonials also help you increase trust with your customers. The list is really long. I covered some of them. Make sure you check performance and accessibility as well to see if your website is fast and it's easy to access. And while we are talking about conversions, I want to tell you about a really easy way to increase your conversion rate, which is building pop-ups for your website. You can click on the link in the description box below and start creating your pop-up for your website today. It's super easy and super user-friendly. So thank you for watching. If you like the video, please like it, and if you love it, subscribe. See you next time.